Welcome to The Future Files, where we explore the possibilities and innovations that shape our future. In today's episode, we delve into the future of retail, focusing on the digital transformation and the rise of omni-channel experiences. Join us as we uncover how these advancements are reshaping the retail landscape and revolutionizing the way we shop. Segment 1. The digital transformation of retail. In an era of rapid technological advancements, the retail industry is undergoing a profound digital transformation. We discuss the integration of online and offline retail channels, the rise of e-commerce platforms, and the impact of digital technologies on consumer behavior. Discover how retailers are leveraging technology to enhance customer experiences and drive sales. Segment 2. Personalized shopping experiences. Personalization is becoming a cornerstone of the future of retail. We explore how artificial intelligence and big data analytics enable retailers to understand their customers better and deliver tailored shopping experiences. From personalized recommendations to virtual shopping assistants, we uncover the ways in which retailers are leveraging data to create personalized journeys for shoppers. Segment 3. Seamless omni-channel experiences. The boundaries between physical and digital retail are blurring, giving rise to omni-channel experiences. We delve into the concept of seamless integration across various touchpoints, including brick-and-mortar stores, e-commerce platforms, social media, and mobile apps. Learn how retailers are embracing omni-channel strategies to provide consistent and convenient experiences to their customers. Segment 4. Augmented reality and virtual reality in retail. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are transforming the way we experience retail. We explore how these immersive technologies are enhancing product visualization, virtual try-ons, and interactive shopping experiences. Discover how retailers are leveraging AR and VR to bridge the gap between online and offline shopping, creating engaging and memorable moments for consumers. Segment 5. Smart stores and connected retail. Smart stores and connected retail are redefining the physical retail experience. We discuss the integration of IoT devices, smart shelves, and digital signage to create interactive and intelligent store environments. Explore how retailers are leveraging technology to streamline operations, optimize inventory management, and provide real-time insights into consumer preferences. Segment 6. Sustainability and ethical retail. The future of retail goes beyond technology. It also embraces sustainability and ethical practices. We examine how conscious consumerism and demands for sustainable products are reshaping the retail industry. Discover how retailers are adopting eco-friendly packaging, ethical sourcing, and transparent supply chains to meet the growing expectations of socially responsible consumers. As we conclude our exploration of the future of retail, it is clear that digital transformation and omni-channel experiences are revolutionizing the way we shop. By embracing technology, personalization, and sustainability, retailers can create seamless and engaging experiences that cater to the evolving needs of their customers. Thank you for joining us on this insightful episode of The Future Files. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more engaging content on the future of science, technology, and innovation.